2014 Porsche Cayman S. We took the factory Porsche radio and we added CarPlay, backup camera, all onto the factory radio here. So this is our factory setting. I'm going to press nav, and here we go into automatically our CarPlay and navigation, our phone, our music, and all our secondary apps, and even better yet, backup camera. So CarPlay on a factory Porsche radio, we can add this. Full touchscreen. And our factory functions. Best part about this is we are wireless. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto on a 2014 Porsche Cayman S. Call me with any questions. Sound Concept 845-623-2362.